Thank you for your recent Freedom Band purchase. This video is a how-to video on unpackaging, setting up and sizing your Freedom Band, and how to properly inspect the contents to make sure that they are accurate. At any point in time, if you have questions about your order or feel that something is just not right, please visit bandsfordiabetics.com, and at the bottom of any page, you'll locate the Contact Us section or file a claim. Let's get to it. This is what your package will look like when it arrives in the mail. Be on the lookout for it because it's unmistakable. Inside of each package, starter kit would be a band, a case, instructions inside to access the website. Let's go ahead and begin. We're going to open the package and remove your Freedom Band. The starter kit comes with 2 bands that work together to equal 1 band depending on where you wear it. There is the case. This is the 50/50 Freedom case. This is the active band. This is the 2-inch clip that's adjustable. This is used on the waist or larger limbs such as the thigh. For now, we're going to set this band up and work from the waist to the smaller limbs. Start off by opening up your kit. Remove the Velcro strap, holding your Freedom Band together. Save this. This is used for the washing care. There's a video on our website showing you how to wash your Freedom Band. As we open up the kit, you're going to notice that it's very neatly wrapped together for storage. This is a really nice, flexible band. Lots of give. As you'll notice, it's porous. It can get wet. You can wash it and repeat. What makes the Freedom Band so special is the ability to use over and over again. Before we go any further, quick pro tip. The band is elastic. Pull and stretch 3 to 5 times. Pulling out, counting to 3, letting go. Pulling out, counting to 3, and letting go. Doing this will ensure the best fit once you've put it on your body. First, we're going to start with the waist. You'll notice that one side is half off and one side is connected. That's just so that new users can see that this is a removable band in case you missed it. It can be removed. Practice a few times and it doesn't take very much pressure at all. Take it off. Put it on, pinching here gently, you push down and walk it on. Taking it off is the easiest part. Pull down and off. Let's do that again. Down and on. The more you do it, the better you'll get. But for this particular one, we need both sides connected. Now you'll notice your Freedom Band looks kind of like a belt. Depending on which size you ordered, they're all going to look the same. Now that it's set up, to adjust, you put the band on around the waist and you size it depending on how much room you need. Need it bigger? Need it smaller? Just bring these in and out and adjust them according. You want to make it a little snug so that when it fits, it stretches to fit. Let's go to the arm measurement. I'm going to show you how to adjust the band for the arm. For this particular scenario, if you've sized correctly and ordered the correct band according, you should only need 1 band for the arm. You do not need both bands. This is your Freedom case. This is the active band. All the bands in our inventory have the Velcro on one end and the adjustable stretchy band on the other. Take a good look at the band. Understand how it works. You'll notice that what appears to be the soft side is facing up. This would actually be scratchy against the skin. This is the side that faces the skin. This side is actually the Velcro side where you would attach a Velcro patch to it. Facing your band down with the Velcro side facing down, the case facing upside down, this is where you begin adjusting. Start by laying it flat, just like this. You ready? Bring one end over like that. Take the end with your hand and take the end of the Velcro, and you're almost creating a loop fashion, right? You want to hook this end through, leaving you with what is becoming apparent, the band that's going to go around the arm. Do you see what's happening? Now, you want to walk the rest of the band into its place. As you begin to understand the function of the band, this will become much easier. At this point, the band is ready to be placed on an arm, and hopefully you see what is necessary. The band easily slides through the release adjustment arms for sizing. These two pieces are designed to release if there's any aggressive pulling. Sports, activities, they are designed to release. Let's put it on. It is set up for the arm. You would slide it through. See what we're doing? As you pull, it will stretch. Don't pull too tight. You don't want to cut off circulation. You want a snug fit. You will see here the transmitter would be inside. As it's set, you would then lift up, slide over, and drop down on the transmitter. Here we are with the transmitter inside with one of our beautiful stickers. You'll notice that there is room for movement. To properly remove the freedom band from your arm and the transmitter, proceed as follows. Holding your freedom band against a surface, your leg, your waist as example, hold it steady as you peel away the Velcro. Once it's released, you lift up on the case, over the transmitter, and just slide it off like so. Store it in a dry, safe area. If you take it to the pool, if you bathe, or go swimming, or involved in some pretty dirty sports, you can remove the entire freedom band, like so, for washing. You can wash the case with soap and water and set aside to air dry. Then you can take the band in the instructional video of how to wash, and you can wash this band. Heat is the enemy with elastic, as we know, so do not dry your freedom band in a conventional clothes dryer. Wash, hand wash, or machine wash, always hang dry every band we offer.